Hey, what's going on, everybody? As you see what you see. We're back out here, Lake Wichita. I gotta see if we can try to catch a fish. We were out here this time last year doing some ice fishing. This time we're gonna take the long route up. I don't know if y'all go back to one of my old fishing videos. You'll see, this is what you'll see. Pretty much the same thing. I want to say it's probably been about a year. Right on the money a year. I want to guess right at it. But we're back out here. You see I got two rigs. One's my braided, one's my regular line. Got a face mask on. Got about 3 hoodies. Got the wax worms in there. Let's get up top. I'll go back over everything. Hello. Huh? Yeah, I think I'm good.
You catch it on video?
Yeah. Well, the sidewalk there is slick, just so you know.
Did it work?
That's why I stepped there. I didn't think it was going to be slick. Let's get back up. That rocked my head. Oh, there we go again. Matter of fact, I'm about to just this whole way down. Yeah, I think I'm gonna freeze up on everything going on out. Okay, that don't seem too bad. Shoo! We're gonna leave our hands free for a minute. Slap on these worms on. Crappie bite, as always. That is if we slide underneath. Honestly, don't know how good we're gonna do today, just because of everything. But let's try. I mean, it ain't gonna hurt to try. Slide her up. Just like that tip. Oh, I don't know if y'all can see it. It's already freezing up. That's what I was talking about. This tip done froze up on us right there. Now froze up. Now froze up. Switch over, throw that other one on. because this one is just going to continue to freeze on us. Our crappie bait. Got switched up. Let's see if that's second. Well, we're back out here. What you probably seen was the sky after I just fell. But with that being said, day 2, round 2. See if these fish are biting. I figure this would be pretty clear, seeing as it's aluminum. But to me, it might be worse than what it was yesterday. It hurt. Your boy got his head rattled. Like I said, I felt a little tingling going across my whole body. But we made it. Made it to talk about it. Now, we just gotta see if we can fish. See if we can catch something out here. It's not as cold as it was yesterday, but it's still on the chilly side. Same setup, ain't much change. If anything, we'll change that bottom jig. But I think if we're gonna catch anything, they'll probably be up underneath. I don't think we're gonna have to worry about the rod tip freezing up today, just because we got some heat out here already, so that may be a good thing. Hopefully I got that camera angle going right. Oh, look at that. Oh, we were on. I don't know which one it hit. But that joker, he took us out left. Come on. I think we're good now. We're just gonna slow this one down on this side. So I call the old slow roller. Oh, we lost the bottom one. It's alright. Rod tip's starting to freeze up anyways. Oh, did we get one? How does that happen? Like, how does this happen? Look at this. Ah, stop moving, little guy. Try to get you off of here. Like, is he in there fighting people? Let me see. I'm sorry, buddy. I did not mean to snag you like this. It's the last thing I wanted to do was to get you snagged. Alright, little guy. Get back in there. Grow big, alright? What is going on, everybody? If you see, we're back out here. And if you take a look, the ice, snow, it's all pretty much gone. Normally, I think y'all see me over there walking that way. But decided not to take the old elusive hill today, just because I know that ground's gonna be soft and super muddy. I ain't trying to deal with it. But you can still see on the shaded side of the hill and everything, there's a little bit of snow. But for the most part, it's all gone. All the trash and everything's down there by the trash. Guess a lot of people left a mess up here. Obviously you can see a little bit of it. But with that being said, it's gonna get up top, try to get on some crappie. And I'm not gonna lie, my head's still a little rattled. Well, not rattled, but get a little headache every now and then from, as y'all seen at the beginning, I took my spills, but let's just get on these fish. There we go. Look at that. First one. He's gonna be on the little side, but he hit it. Yeah. I kept feeling a couple of hits each time I threw it under there. He finally came out. There we go. Took us a little bit, but we got a little guy. Toss him back on in there. Yeah, he swatted at it though. He hit it twice. I ended up snagging them, but I felt them swat it the first time. They're under there. I was just trying to wake them up so they can start hitting. Felt the nibble, and then he missed it. I guess on the return, I felt him come back with his tail. My bad, guy. Looks alright. He got it. He hit it. There we go. Look at that. Maybe that bluegrass was the sauce. He chomped it right on down. Look at that. That's what we need to do. Switch it up to that one. That's the one we got. Alright, buddy. For that bad boy. So let's see if he'll come back out again. Oh. You poor little fish. Oh. It's not how we wanted to catch that one, but I'm telling you, they're going after it. They're going after bluegrass shad, baby. Come on, baby. Chase after it. Oh, there we go. Look at that. He went after it. There you go. Come on, where's your big mama at underneath there? Send her out here. Let me meet and greet her. Look at little fella. Where's that big mama at? Send her on out here. Well, folks, we actually caught, I think, 2 or 3. However, we did snag, unfortunately, I think 2 of them on top of the 2 or 3 we had caught. But with that being said, oh, excuse me. With that being said, I want to say thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for following. If you haven't followed already, please go ahead and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you on the water. This has kind of been like a little 3-day, I guess, escapade, if you want to call it. 3-day challenge. Trying to fish when the hard snow, medium snow, and snow melt. But with that being said, I'll say thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for following along. And until next time, I'll see you on the water.